Hello guys, it is time. The time where everyone tries to make their business. You will see this every year, how people make videos about the new year and how important New Year resolutions are. And in my opinion, it's not that important. You should have habits and do it regularly, and you shouldn't care about what time of the year it is. Don't say something like, I will start in the new year. I will do that if this time happens. No, give me an answer of this question, why you are not starting right now. Or exactly tomorrow. We are in times which we get so much distracted with all the stuff which is going on currently, and you should be an outsider. If you really want to do something, you should do it, and don't wait for a specific time of the year. My goal for this year was to crack my first 20k, and I've reached it. And I'm honest, guys, this is like a diary which I have. And I still wasn't able to grow an audience, and I can understand so many people who are looking into YouTube, which has too many people who speaks about a specific topic, tell you what you have to do, but at the end don't do it themselves, or just gaining money with that. And this is something which is really unfair. I would never say that I'm a financial expert, or why exactly I buy the stocks that I buy. I can just tell you that I believe it will grow in the future. You can look right now at every number what you can imagine, but at the end, if any big urgent event is happening, which involves the company which has the best numbers in the whole world, the company stock will go down, and your whole portfolio as well. For investing, you have to have nerves. If you don't have it, don't invest in the first place, I'm honest. If you can't sleep when your portfolio is going down 30 to 50%, you make something wrong. Like everything in the world, the stock market, crypto, whatever, is going in cycles. Sometimes everything went well, and sometimes not. And you should have the nerves. Hopefully you can use your discipline and motivation for all the areas in which you want to be successful and transfer it for your whole life. An environment could change your life, a new habit could change your life, or even a new skill could change your life. I'm still in the figuring out phase about how to get rich or independent and get the time freedom. But what I can tell is I will never give up. Every day I will try anything. And right now, since this is my diary, I try to adopt new skills, and one of these skills is cybersecurity, because I see in that a lot of potential for the future. If we develop more technology, more AI, we will get hacked a lot more and get even more security issues. So I could figure out maybe a way into that, but it takes time, guys. It won't happen tomorrow, in a month or 2 or 3, I don't know, maybe in a year, but after compounding as well and learning new skills with regular habits and doing something every day, which you don't want to do, but you have to do, you will be able and successful one day. And compounding is not happening on the same level over a period of time. There will be just one day where you understand everything. Maybe this opens up chances to start a side hustle in that direction, help other businesses, have a really big why in life, and be successful overall. You have then maybe the time freedom and can work from everywhere in this world. Who wouldn't switch their life with anywhere in the world, with beaches or hot countries or cheap countries? I don't know. Everyone is different and everyone prefers something different. But it is important to have a legacy. Put out your thoughts. Life is too short. One day everything will be over. Nobody is speaking about you. Nobody is thinking about you. You are by yourself. And you have to do it by yourself. Nobody is coming to save you. And you have to learn. Learn life's lessons. Everyone will struggle. It doesn't matter if you are poor, rich, wealthy or whatever. We all struggle. But I would prefer to struggle with time freedom and choose when I want to work. And in the times that we have right now, it sounds like it's something wrong to work in a 9 to 5. But we don't learn it in school. Nobody's educating us about this stuff. And it's the new norm. I think a lot of people start to awake and see how short life is, and the past is not true. It doesn't make sense to work 9 to 5 around 30 to 40 years just to retire, be sick and not able to travel. I couldn't imagine that. But to find a way to get fast money, and not just fast, a lot, and hold it and don't lose it, this is the hardest part. And except creating a business, I don't see another option, guys. There is no small crypto coin which will 1000x your amount of money. Because if you would knew it, you would right now sell everything that you have and go all in into that. And not just go all in, you have to as well know when to sell and when the top is. But nobody of us can do that. So you can risk if you are in the early stage of investments and don't have the biggest network and other things which you have to care about, like a child or something like that, or your family. But at the end, this is the only solution I can see right now. So maybe in the future, I can't ask you that, because sadly, not a lot of people are watching right now my videos. But what do you think about cybersecurity? Do you think it makes sense to document my skills? Because I want to try hack me or hack the box as a starter. And at the end, which is really cool, is you can apply for jobs if you reach a specific skill and level. Let me know in the comments if you like it or not, but I will always do my investments because I love that, and to show you my journey and how I get rich, and you can get rich as well. And that will be all. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.